Got her all nice and cleaned up. Gonna do it's gonna be a nice day. It's still super early, so I'm gonna paint all the trim. Said another video is gonna pull off the top trim. I'm just gonna paint all the black stuff. Probably rip off this guy. See if I have time to do that. That trim. Working on fitting that tire in there right now. But yeah, just basically do the sides and the pillars. But while I'm waiting for that to dry, looks so much better now. That's crazy. But while I'm waiting for all this stuff to dry and whatnot, I clean the inside windows, prepping it for tint. So I'm gonna do tinting while the outside of it dries. This guy I was trying to harvest some stuff from. I still want to see if I can use